up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since my last upload here on my channel, but here it is, the moment at least I've been waiting for, my dorm tour video for my sophomore year here at NYU. And as an upperclassman, or at least not a freshman, I am no longer in the 10 freshman dorms that I rated from my last video. And this year I am in a Palladium loft. So what that means is I am not in a common Palladium upperclassman suite. I am living with 11 other suite mates. And I know you might be thinking that's crazy, but it's actually pretty nice and pretty interesting once you get the feeling of it. So how it works is I randomly met my suite mates for the first time on move-in day and move-in weekend, besides my roommate Evelyn here. But for the most part, I didn't know anybody, and it was a good opportunity to meet some new people right into move-in weekend. So how it works is when you come in to our lofts, we have 2 suites and 2 single rooms. So in one suite, we have a group of 4 with 2 bathrooms. And in my suite, we have a group of 6 with 2 bathrooms as well, and the 2 singles have their own bathrooms as well. And so what we share all together is 12 people. We share the kitchen, the living room or common area, the dining room, and the shared bathroom next to the dining room. The lofts are specifically designated for the special interest housings of Palladium, which in Palladium it is called sustainability in the city. And so that entrance is on the 13th Street side of Palladium. There are 2 entrances of Palladium, and you can get to the loft on both street sides of Palladium, but the main entrance for the loft is on the 13th Street side. And also I just wanted to give a brief intro to Palladium as a whole. Palladium is a good upperclassman dorm. It is fairly close to campus. It's about a 15-20 minute walk, and it's right next to Union Square. Palladium has many different resources available to its residents here, which includes the gym, dining hall, resource center, washroom and center for writing and careers, and then the lounges, which includes study rooms, game rooms, TV lounges, laundry room, computer rooms, all you can think of. So all in all, Palladium is pretty convenient and useful dorm to live at as an upperclassman. Anyways, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. And with that being said, let's get on with the video. So if you're coming from the 13th floor elevator, you're gonna come around the corner, and here's our room. What you're gonna do is put your ID into the thing and type in your passcode, right? But I already did mine, so you type it in, and here's what you see when you come into the suite. So here you have a suite of 4, a suite of 6. This is my suite. Common area, which I'll show you later. A single room and a single room. This is our common area, or living room as I like to call it. We have a very big open space. We have nice decor, make it a little bit more homey with our TV, lamp, rug, and pillows. Over there is the kitchen and dining room, which I'll bring you over. Here we have a closet space, which actually does have a lot of space inside. You can keep luggages in there if you would like. Right, so there's that. Let's bring you to the window. This is some of our view. Not really much, but we get to see the other side of Palladium from this side. Here is our little sunset lamp. It's very nice. I don't know who brought it, but it's very cute. Brings a little bit more aesthetic to our little common area space. Anyways, so we come into this open area, and in this spot we have 1 single over here, and this is the entrance to the 14th Street side. So that would be the other dorms besides the special themed floors of Palladium. You can go through there. You can go to the 3rd floor lounge, which has your laundry, game rooms, other stuff in the 3rd floor lounge. You can get there from here. And here's the other view. We have like a windowsill. So now I'm bringing you back to the kitchen area. Here's our lovely dining room, another single. And overlooking here, we have, right down there is the dining hall of Palladium. We have a communal bathroom, a shared bathroom. This is our communal bathroom. Nothing much here, no shower, just a half bath. And here is our kitchen. We have cabinets on top. The stove, oven area, more cabinets. The sink, and our fridge and freezer. So this is our bathroom. So go in, it's our bathroom. We have our little dog soap. And also, like in Lipton, the mirrors open to a cabinet. Here's our shower. And I brought my stand pole from last year. This is the toilet. They're Christmas themed, and towel hangers. So this is my room. When you walk into my suite, the first thing you see to my left is my coat rack again, and more bags and other things inside. Here is actually our closet. And so we added lots of hooks on the walls and doors to put all of our extra things inside. I have my laundry basket again. This is my side with my drying rack. And I also have other miscellaneous things up here. And this is her side of the closet. So that's our closet. Palladium gives you this full-length mirror. So that's nice to have. And I'm gonna bring you to my side of the room first. So we have my pictures, which as you can tell, I've added so many since my last video. The chairs at the desk are also rocking kind of chairs, so they do rock a bit. I have my rug again. I obviously brought back my mirrors for my wall. This is my desk. It has 4 drawers that it came with. This one opens up as well. And 4 individual drawers that I also keep little storage containers inside as well. I have my pencil holder again, my bok choy, and my stylus is magnetic. And this is my drawers of clothes. Palladium gave you this large drawer, and it's actually thinner than the ones at Lipton. It's more shallow is what I meant. And here I have my everyday morning materials such as my perfume, my lotion, etc. My art, I added some new ones. I added my bye-bye name, and as well as a painting I made with my friends this summer. And coming back to my Razcog from last year, I kept most of the same things in there. I have my makeup on top, my jewelry, and other face care things. I added a little bucket on the side with other miscellaneous hair things, as well as just my hairbrush and hair curler, etc. Here I have my ottoman from last year again, which instead of snacks this time, I put my extra clothes that I can't fit in my drawers or the closet. Here is my mirror from Target. So I like to use both mirrors just for fun and taking pictures. The contact paper is also from Target as well. And here is my setup from my bed. I added a little curtain also from Target. And added command hook and tension rod to keep it up. Underneath my bed, I keep little boxes of organization cubes for different things that I need in life, my toiletries, my socks, cleaning supplies, food, etc. With my desk, I did move it around a bit and put it in this spot. On the top again, I have my medicine and tools kit. I have just decor on this shelf with some books that I have, my manga, and some journals. I have my little worksheet organizer that has all my school and other papers that I like to file away. This one I made at the Lego store in Times Square with my RA from last year. We went to the Lego store and made little Legos together. So just more other things that I need. So this is my dorm, and this is her side, and I'm going to just show you the outside, even though you can't really see. But that's what we see every day. Alright, hope you liked that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video of my dorm tour here in a Palladium loft. I hope you found it helpful, and feel free to check out my other videos on my channel. Alright, bye!